Hey there viewers, welcome back to another video. Fonio might be the most nutritious grain you've never heard of. In fact, it's been touted as the grain that would defeat quinoa as king among foodies. Fonio is an ancient cereal grain that has been cultivated in West African countries for over 5,000 years. Also called acha, it is the tiniest grain in the millet family. Fonio is now gaining a reputation as a superfood, but, until few years ago, it had been very difficult to mass-produce it because the grain's tiny size made it too difficult to remove the husk. Nowadays, however, modern equipment facilitates the dehusking and the grain is getting far more readily available. Fonio has more nutritional value than most other grains, and it is rich in calcium, magnesium and zinc and vitamin B. Now, let's discuss some benefits of this cereal. 1. Fonio as energy food. Fonio has been used as staple food to meet the daily energy requirement. It offers 3.6 calories per gram of grain, which is comparable to other cereals. Still, it is easy to digest and does not sharply increase blood sugar levels. It is filling and easier to cook. 2. Fonio is gluten-free. Many people across US and other countries today suffer from celiac disease. This is due to the intolerance to their body towards gluten. Only way of treating this disease is to avoid gluten food. Most of the energy food we eat, including wheat, corn etc., contains gluten. Fonio offers a good alternative of gluten-free energy food to people. 3. Fonio aids digestion. Fonio is easier to digest and is recommended for children and elderly people. It has ample amount of fibers which are required to keep digestive tract smooth. It helps in bowel movements and prevents constipation. Fonio is believed to stimulate appetite and secretion of digestive juices. In some parts of Africa, fonio is offered as food to people suffering from stomach problems. 4. Fonio aids cardiovascular activities. Fonio has small seeds and is generally consumed in dehusked but whole form. Research suggests that consuming whole grain reduces risk of cardiovascular disorders including heart disease and stroke. The barn and germ of fonio are rich in vitamins, minerals and other nutrients which helps to keep our hearts healthy. 5. Fonio is good for diabetic patients. Fonio has been long used as diabetic food. Fonio has low glycemic index. It is absorbed in body slowly and thus effect on blood sugar is gradual. Fonio is also believed to have insulin-secreting properties and aids in controlling blood sugar levels in body. Early lab studies also suggest benefits of fonio in diabetes due to its low GI compared to other daily foods. Fonio also provides body with minerals chromium and sulfur containing amino acids which are believed to reduce inflammation and diabetes. 6. Fonio as weight loss food. Fonio is promoted in West as weight loss food. This energy food offers good amount of fibers and gives feeling of filled stomach. With low glycemic index, it can help body reduce food cravings while providing necessary energy required. Thus, it may aid in controlling weight. However, no direct evidence is available if it has any impact on fat metabolism or ability to burn fat. 7. Fonio health benefits for women. Fonio is highly rich in essential amino acids, folic acid and iron. Thus, it plays important role in iron metabolism. It is good in preventing anemia. This nutritious food is traditionally recommended for pregnant and lactating women in Africa. 8. Fonio benefits to hair and nails. Methionine is sulfur-containing amino acid present in fonio which is important for formation of cartilage. It strengthens your nails and hair. It aids in preventing hair loss. Methionine has also anti-aging effect on your skin and aids in reducing signs of aging. Similarly, amino acid cysteine is building block for our skin and hair. It also helps in detoxification and thus keeps our skin healthy. Cysteine helps in healing wounds or burns. 9. Strong bones and teeth. Fonio is also a good source of calcium, magnesium and phosphorus, all of which help to build strong bones and teeth. That makes it an ideal food for growing children and a food that will help stop bone diseases like osteoporosis in old age too. 10. Provides energy. Fonio is a great source of energy. Unlike foods that give you a spike in energy and leave you feeling tired a bit later, fonio is easily digested and then provides you with a slow release of energy that will last till your next meal. That, along with its great taste, is why it is starting to become popular on the Western culture tables. Have you ever tried Fonio? If not, would you give it a try? Tell us how you used it in the comments section below.